Clean glassware is an essential part of all experiments, especially in quantitative analysis. Glassware can be cleaned easily if you clean it immediately after use. With time, the residues left in a container may harden and become more resistant to cleaning agents. They may also attack the glass itself. It is therefore good practice to do the cleaning right away after the glassware is used. Use the sink at the end of each bench for glassware washing, but not those along the bench, because these are for setting water condensers or water aspirators. Most chemical residues can be removed by washing the glassware using a brush, laboratory soap, and water. Regular cleaning involves using soap or detergent and tap water with swirling or shaking. If needed, a scrub brush can be used to clean the inside of the flasks. Rinse well with tap water. Use a little of deionized water for the final rinse. Let the flasks stand or wipe them dry. If a piece of glassware is needed shortly after washing, drain it to remove excess water. Then rinse it with a small portion of acetone and dry it by using a drying oven for a few minutes or allow it to air dry at room temperature. To clean a burette or pipette, the same procedures described before are used. For organic residues that can't be removed by detergent and water, acetone is commonly used for washing. Use a minimum amount and don't pour it down the drain. Note that it is good practice to examine your glassware for cracks and chips before use for safety reasons. Cracked or chipped glassware should be discarded.